Sub HSC 2022 batch. It has been a long time since I conducted my last class. Look at the virtual board. I have written today's topic, and that is modifier 9. What does it mean? It means I have already conducted 8 classes on modifier. This is a 9th class, and in the meanwhile, my students have appeared at the exam, and there were questions related to modifier. I hope you have written well. You have done well in modifier part. Dear students, you know that during these 8 classes, I started with the definition of modifier. I talked about the classification of it, and I talked about, especially I focused on 5 grammatical devices under post modifier. I talked about appositive, relative clause, adverb, participle, and phrase. Now it is our time to talk about pre-modifier. I started with post modifier. I completed it. Now I'd like to focus on pre-modifier. You know that I have written a list. Just look at the virtual board. I have written a list on the virtual board. Under pre-modifier, we have to learn the ins and outs of these 11 grammatical items. We need to know the ins and outs, that is pros and cons. That is details of these 11 grammatical items. Okay, and I hope you will be with me, and I hope you will be busy in a comment box. I will ask a lot of questions, and you are requested to give me the answers. So my dear students, please join with us and try to learn interactively. Okay, so let us start with pre-modifier, and under pre-modifier we have 11 grammatical items. I am going to talk about one after another. Okay, look at my dear students. Today it is our time to talk about pre-modifier. Under pre-modifier, you know that we will start with adjective, then noun adjective, quantifier, demonstrative, possessive, determiner, intensifier, compound, adverb, participle, and phrase. I have already confirmed, I have already completed, or you can say I have already discussed adverb, participle, and phrase, because these 3 grammatical items have already been enlisted in post modifier part. Okay, so we will not talk about phrase, we will not talk about participle, we will not talk about adverb. We will talk about this 8 grammatical items: adjective, noun adjective, quantifier, demonstrative, possessive, determiner, intensifier, and compound. Okay, so let us start with adjective, my dear students. And if you face any kind of problem, related to understanding, please don't hesitate to ask question in the comment box. I will be there for you. So dear students, let us start with pre-modifier, and under pre-modifier we have adjective. The first one is adjective. What is adjective? You know that. What is adjective? Please give me the comment box. Ibrahim, comment box please. Oh my God. Thank you. So dear students, I'm talking about adjective. You know that adjective is such a participle speech that qualifies. Adjective is such a participle speech that qualifies a noun and pronoun. So if you get any participle speech, and if this participle speech modifies or qualifies a noun or pronoun, that particular participle speech will be regarded as adjective. Okay, and if your answer is adjective, what will be the question? The question will be pre-modify the noun. If you want to modify noun, you have to use adjective, because the responsibility of noun and pronoun depends on adjective. So my dear students, I have already told you that adjective is such a participle speech that influences, that qualifies, or that modifies a noun or pronoun. Let me give an example. Look at please. Thank you, Ronnie Hossain. Thank you, Sadiq. All of you are requested to be busy. I will give you a lot of question, and I hope you will be able to give me the answer. First example, Bangladesh is an agricultural Country. Dear students, I have written an example on the board, and you are requested to find out how many adjectives are used in this sentence. Can you tell me, please? Dear students, my question is, give me the number of adjectives used in the sentence that I have written on the virtual board. Okay? Give me the number of adjective. Give me the number of adjective in this sentence. How many adjectives are there? Taslima Begum, just one. Nabil, one. Riyadh, one. Where are my other students? We have 100 viewers with us right now. How many adjectives are there? Shajib Ali, 2. Oh my God. Very good. Nafis Sadiq, 1. There are 2 adjectives in this sentence. One is agricultural, another is noun. Agricultural is such a person piece which modifies country. Country is a noun. That's why we will call agricultural an adjective. Clear? Here, an is an article. This an is also a part of a speech, and this parts of a speech modifies noun. So I can say there are 2 adjectives in this sentence. One is an, another is agricultural. Can I give an example related to adjective? Let me give an example. Up to this part, I think it's been clear to you that an adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. If you are told to modify a noun, definitely you must have to use adjective, because adjective modifies or qualifies or influences noun or pronoun. And definitely the question will be pre-modify the noun. Pre-modify the noun. If the answer is an adjective, your question will be pre-modify the noun. Now let me give an example. A village doctor renders a dash. I'm going to start first bracket. The question is pre-modify the noun. A village doctor renders dash service to the, another question B. Question is pre-modify the noun. I have given you a question. Look at the board, please. A village doctor renders dash service to the dash villagers. You have to pre-modify the noun. What is the noun? The noun is service, and here the noun is villagers. You have to modify service here at question number A, and at question number B you have to modify villagers. Now give me the answer. Now give me the answer, my dear students. Thank you, Khaled. Thank you, Ronnie. Give me 2 answers. The first answer will modify service, and the second one will modify villagers. Okay. Where are my other students? Where are my other students? Hurry up, please. Motasim Billah Sabir. Just one answer. Where is the other one? Okay. Muhammad Muzammil Hussain. Thank you. Rifat. Thank you. Someone is writing capital, but your answer should start with a small letter. Clear? Nafis Sadiq, thank you. Alamin, thank you. Noman Ibn Bilal, Freeport, thank you. Mohikul Haq, that is, thank you. Sabit, thank you. Farhaz Nabil, thank you. I need more answer from you. Hurry up. I need more answer from you. Ronnie Hussain. Okay, thank you, my dear. Look at please. A village doctor renders. If I write for question number A and B, a village doctor renders. If I say great service, if I say free service, you can write a lot of examples. Okay, a village doctor renders great service or free service to the dash villagers. Here you can say helpless, you can say poor. Anything else? Anything else, my dear students? What are the other answers? Hurry up. You can write a lot of adjectives here, but your adjectives must be relevant to the sentence. So my dear students, up to this part we have talked about adjective, and adjective modifies a noun or pronoun. If you are told to pre-modify the noun, you must have to take adjective as your instrument or weapon to modify the noun. Clear to you? If your answer is adjective, definitely the question will be pre-modify the noun. Clear? Definitely the question will be pre-modify the noun. Pre-modify the noun means you have to modify the noun service, and the adjective that you are going to use must take its position before the word, before the noun service. Clear to you? So this is our first topic related to pre-modifier, and that is adjective. Now we will talk about noun adjective. Our next topic is noun adjective. What is noun adjective? Who can tell me? Write in the comment box. My dear students, I have asked you a question. What is noun adjective? Can anybody give me the definition? What is noun adjective? Give me the definition, please. What is noun adjective? What is noun adjective? Is there any student who can tell me the definition of noun adjective? Muhtasin Billah Sabbir. Noun plus noun. Thank you, my dear. What are my other students? Are you not ready to give me the answer? Yes. Most of you are writing noun plus noun, noun plus noun. Which one is noun adjective? Tell me. Yes, Mozammel Hussain. Oh my God, excellent. Raihan Turjo. When noun is placed before another noun and work as adjective. Excellent. Nodin Sharkar. Yes, thank you. We are going to talk about grammatical device number 2, and that is a noun adjective. When two nouns sit one after another, when two nouns take their position one after another, for example, when noun and noun, two nouns sit one after another, okay, see one after another, this first noun work as adjective, and this adjective is called noun adjective. This noun always work as noun. Is it clear to you, my dear students? When two nouns sit one after another, and then the first one, the first noun modifies or qualifies or influences the second one. And if any species modifies noun, that species, that particular species must be an adjective. That's why we will call this noun an adjective. And ultimately, the name of this adjective is called noun adjective. Is it clear to you? For example, air. Air is a noun. Ticket is a noun. Air is a noun. Ticket is a noun. And air ticket. This air has become adjective. This air has become adjective. Clear to you? So my dear students, I have already told you that, I have just told you that whenever you're going to make a noun adjective, you must have to place a noun before a noun. The first noun will work as adjective, and ultimately you have to call it noun adjective. Now I'd like to give you some examples and you have to give me the answer. Is noun adjective clear to you, my dear students? Is noun adjective clear to you, my dear students? It is very tough to rub the board. I'm going to give you an example, okay? If I say A, pre-modify the noun with noun adjective dash government has taken a lot of another question. Pre-modify the noun with noun adjective. To upgrade I am going to give you 3 questions. My question is dash pre-modify the noun with noun adjective. You have to modify government, and in order to modify government you must have to use a noun, and if you put a noun here, this noun will modify government and this noun will work as noun adjective. Dash government has taken a lot of dash activities. You have to modify activities with noun adjective. And the third question is you have to modify rate with noun adjective. Now give me the answer. Now give me the answer, dear students. Now give me the answer. Now give me the answer. Be careful. You shouldn't write any pure adjective here, my dear students. You are not allowed to use any kind of pure adjective because I'm expecting noun adjective from you. A pure adjective is not a noun. Is not a noun adjective. Clear? Nabil, you have written 3 answers. 1 answer is correct and 2 are incorrect. Sorry. No. Nuruddin Sarkar, you have written 3. 2 are correct, 1 is incorrect. Those who are writing pure adjective, don't forget that you are writing wrong answers. Yes, give me, hurry up, give me the answer. We have some viewers with us, and all of you are requested to give me the answer. All of you are requested to give me the answer. Khalid, thank you. Ronnie, thank you. Asadul Islam Hasif, your roll number is not important to me, but your participation is important. Okay, give me the answer. Hurry up, give me the answer. Give me the answer. Okay, now let me tell about question number A, B, C. I'm going to write answer here. Dash government. Someone has written existing government. Existing government is not a correct answer. Is not a correct answer because existing is a pure adjective. You are not allowed to use any pure adjective. You have to use a noun, and that noun will be working as adjective. Here you can say Bangladesh government. Can I write Bangladesh government? Tasnima Begum. Democratic is not a noun. It's a pure adjective. If you write any pure adjective, you will not get good. You will not get any mark. Okay. Bangladesh government has taken a lot of dash activities. Dash activities. Very good. Can I say development? Development activities. Okay. And the third one is to upgrade dash rate. Can I say to upgrade literacy rate? To upgrade education rate, to upgrade literacy rate. Okay. Noman, your second answer, useful, is not correct. Okay. So my dear students, I'm expecting pure noun from you. If you put a noun before a noun, the first noun will work as adjective, and ultimately the adjective is called noun adjective. Have you got me? I have given you 3 answers for these 3 questions. Now I am going to give you another example. Get ready, my dear student. Get ready. Question is pre-modify the noun with a dash postman. Is a very familiar figure. Okay. Pre-modify the noun adjective. You have to modify noun. What should be the answer, dear student? What should be the answer? Hurry up. Is my writing unclear to you, dear students? Color. Or should I use this color, dear students? Should I avoid green? Enamul Haq. Which color is more visible? Green or this one? Okay, which color should I use? Green or this one? Pink. Pink is more visible. Thank you. I will not use any green right now. Okay, dear students, give me the answer. Give me the answer. Hurry up. Give me the answer. Okay, a dash postman. Option Rabia, Tasmi, Khushbu. Red. Okay, I will use these 2 colors. Okay. Muttaqim Sarkar. Thank you. No. Bartholomew Pitikas Alamin. Your answer is not correct at all, because honest is a pure adjective. Khushbu, you are absolutely correct. Nuruddin Sarkar, absolutely correct. What are my other students? Hurry up, write down. Can I say a village postman? Can I say a city postman? So your answer is, option A. Here the answer should be village, or you can say city. Is it clear to you? I think it's clear to you. Now, my dear students, in the meantime, I have talked about noun and noun adjective. Now, I'd like to focus on grammatical item number 3 under premodifier. And what is this? This is nothing but quantifier. Now we will talk about quantifier. What is quantifier? What is quantifier? Can anybody tell me the definition of quantifier? Now, our question number 3, that is under premodifier, we will talk about device number 3, and that is quantifier. What is quantifier, dear students? What is quantifier? Quantifier, quantifier is such a word that modifies a noun. So quantifier is also an adjective. Yes, students, quantifier modifies a noun. Quantifier modifies a noun. That's why we will call quantifier an adjective. But all kinds of adjectives are not quantifiers. So I'm going to repeat, my dear students. Quantifier modifies a noun. That's why quantifier is an adjective. But all kinds of adjectives are not quantifiers. All kinds of adjectives are not quantifiers. Clear to you? All kinds of adjectives are not quantifiers. The adjectives which modifies, the adjectives which modify noun or nouns. I'm going to repeat, the adjectives which modify noun or nouns in terms of number or quantity. In terms of number and quantity, these adjectives will be called quantifier. If any word expresses the number or quantity of a noun, this word will be called quantifier. So quantifier always denotes the number or quantity of noun. The number and quantity, be careful. Quantity or number. So if any word modifies a noun in terms of quantity or number, this word will be called adjective, and ultimately this adjective is called quantifier. So quantifier always expresses quantity or number. Clear to you? Now I'd like to give you some words that will work as quantifier, okay? Can I say some, many, much, few, fewer, little, less, several, every, no, more, different, various. These words work as a quantifier. There are some others who are also, and you know that there are some numbers, for example 1, 2, 3, first, second, third. If I say single, double, triple, or all are adjective, especially or all are called quantifiers. Okay, because these words, if these words modify nouns and if these words express the quantity or number of a noun or nouns, these words will be called quantifiers. Okay, I'm going to give you some examples. Now I'm going to give a question on quantifier. A question, quantifier is very important for modified part. Very often questions are given. Very often questions are given. There is a pre-modify the noun with pre-modify the noun with quantifier. There is a dash water in the pond. There is a dash water in the pond. Dear students, modify the noun water. Okay, what should be the answer? Yes, all quantifiers are adjectives, but all adjectives are not quantifiers. Okay. Jia, thank you. I need more answers from you. I need more answers from you. Okay, Shagur, thank you. Khushbu, thank you. No. There is a. You are not allowed to use much. There is a much water. This is an inappropriate sentence. Khaled, why are you using much? I have put a here. There is a. If I use much, there is a much. This is an inappropriate sentence. Subarna Rai, thank you. Nurdin Sharkan, thank you. Billal, thank you. But Nomanimda Billal, you have used capital L. This is not expected. Tasnima Begum, you have used capital L. I want this modifier to be used at the middle of the sentence. So you are not allowed to use any capital L. You have to use small l. Clear to you? Thank you. The answer should be, there is a little water in the pond. Okay. So my dear students, up to this part we have completed 3 grammatical items under pre-modifier. I started with adjective. After completing adjective, I started with noun adjective, and at last we focused on quantifier. I'm going to end the class with an example related to quantifier. Pre-modify the noun with quantifier. Dash people get American visa nowadays? Give me the answer. With this question, we will come to an end regarding today's class. Alamin, don't lose heart. Carry on. Dash people get American visa nowadays. Dash people. Okay. Many people get. Thank you. Anybody else? Anybody else? Hurry up, my dear students. The answer can be, if I write many people get American visa nowadays, can I say fewer people get American visa nowadays? Can I say some people get American visa nowadays? These are quantifiers. These are quantifiers. So my dear students, today I have completed 3 grammatical devices under pre-modifier. They are adjective, they are noun adjective, they are adjective, noun adjective, and quantifier. Okay, there are 5 grammatical items. There are 5 grammatical items, or you can say 5. Yes, there are 5 grammatical items left under pre-modifier, and hopefully we will complete these topics in our upcoming classes. So my dear students, thank you for being with me. I'd like to invite you to my next class that will be held within a short time. Till then, try to take an excellent preparation for your year final exam, and hopefully we will start our year final exam in the next month. So thank you, my dear students. Goodbye.